Good evening. Today I showed you guys how to repair the Samsung refrigerator. This the model is Samsung RF28 series. I think it most the problem with the Samsung because this one when you bought the new one, usually they last more than 1 year, and after that the ice build up over here very full. And you know the water run everywhere, and the refrigerator not cold anymore. So after I find out everywhere, and I try a lot of internet. They show me what to do, put something on here and extra something, but it's not working for me. And after that I got the idea. I buy the this cable right here. You see the cable? It's about 3 feet long, and I hook up, because this defrost right there every 8 hours. So it's automatic defrost. So when they defrost, this around here, this one the thing, it hitting about 15 minutes, but it's very small. So because a lot of ice build up here, and about 15 minutes, and the ice not come to not defrost perfectly good. So I buy this one. You see the why. I will show you buy at eBay about $25, very cheap. And I hook up with the same wire, the heater here, one wire here and one wire here with the heater. See, run around. So I put it back there, the heater, because every 8 hours it reheat about 15 minutes. So the fan blow it around, so the water drop down here. So that's why the water not drop down and they fall over everywhere on the floor. So that's what I do. This the most. I do it already 2 years, so it never happened again. Today I just open for you and show you how I did it, how successfully. Hopefully you can do it by yourself, very easy, but take about half an hour. And another thing, after you take this out too many times, I think you better buy the new one, because when it broke or it's open somewhere and it breaks something right there, and the air go not the right way, so it will happen again. I think you better buy the new one if you broke it or something not perfectly. That's for the Samsung refrigerator. This happened for most of people. So that's what I know. That's what I learned. That what I find out. I think the best design from the engineer from Samsung. Thank you for watching. When you put that wire, you put the foil under there, behind there. Maybe you see the burn, because when it get hit, so you put the foil under there. So over here they already have a metal, but the place have no metal. Just put the foil under there, and I put you see the wire go down. I put the wire down in the hole too. So when it hit, every 8 hours it hit, this one hit too, the water go through there, so they don't stuck here too. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you like it, and if work with you, please say something and with share with somebody so who have a Samsung problem. Thank you for watching. Good night.